Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the front camera of the Honor 9X Pro device, friends, which has a 16 megapixel front camera, and I'll be showing you all the camera samples which are taken in the phone with the selfie. So even there is a video recording as well, friends, so which I'll be explaining you what are the advantages and what are the features the front camera has and everything. So in another video, I'll be comparing with the back camera as well, friends. So in this video, I'll be just focusing only on the front camera because I don't want to make the videos pretty lengthy and which will be very boring for most of the users. So that's why I decided to do front cam in one video and back camera in another video, friends, separately. So pretty much all the camera comparison videos are also coming very soon. So stay tuned then, friends, by subscribing to my channel. And if you have any other issues regarding the smartphone, you can message me in the Instagram. And if you want to know how to install the Google Play Store services in your Honor 9X Pro device, so you can check the links in description, friends, for that. And again, do join my Telegram group. So in the Telegram group, I'll be posting all the APKs, friends. So in case if the Google Play Store trick doesn't work in your device, don't worry. So you got the 7 days return policy for the Honor 9X Pro at the time of I am making this video for the first sale. So you can return the phone if the Google Play Store doesn't work. So let's get started with the front camera, friends, of the Honor 9X Pro. The Honor 9X Pro has a front cam of 16 megapixel, so which is the pop-up, as you can see, friends. So there is a pop-up camera here, and so when the phone drops, the front cam automatically closes, friends, as you can see. So you will get the message saying that there is a drop detected and the front cam will be closed. So this is a very good thing and advantage in terms of the front cam security, in terms of maintaining the durability of this one. So overall, let's check the how is the camera quality regarding the images, and how is the is it portrait is very good or not, what are the different effects it has got. So let's check in this video. Here is the Telegram group, friends, so where you can join and download the APKs which are necessary for the Google Play Store and Play Services installation process. So don't forget to join in the Telegram group, friends, so you can check the links in description, and also join in my Instagram as well if you want to ask any other doubts. So as you can see, friends, this is a front cam interface, how it looks overall in terms of the, in the photo mode you get the AI mode as well, friends, so which you can enable or disable. So this will little bit enhance the quality of the image as well, so that affects a lot. And next is the flashlight, so which is also good thing, friends, in terms of having the flashlight, friends. The old screen turns out very much brighter, so that's the advantage of having the flashlight for the front screen. So let me go to the settings and let me show you what is the megapixel for the front cam. As you can see, friends, 16 megapixel. So another disadvantage is that, as you can see, friends, the front camera is still open when you're using the settings, as you can see. So normally, so whenever you're not using the front camera, it should be gone inside, but this is not the case. So still the front camera is open, friends. You can see the camera resolution 16 resolution, and here are the options which you get with the front cam recording. So let me show you what are the options you get here. So you got the photo mode, and in the portrait mode you also have the AI as well. And in the portrait mode, the one thing is that there is a beauty, so which is common in other application. So second important option is the effects. So the most interesting feature is this is the last one, friends, which is called stage lighting, so which is very good. So let me show you one of the sample which I have taken in the stage lighting, friends. So this is how it looks in the stage lighting, which is very good in erasing all the background image. As you can see, the processing can be a little bit bad, but at least this kind of option having in the default phone is pretty advantage in the Honor 9X Pro device. As you can see, friends, let me open the details as well. The size is of 4.40 MB, friends. As you can see, the front camera size alone. So this is a normal portrait mode which I have taken. So there are different effects which you can try from here for the front camera. As you can see, friends, the pretty much so many features with the front cam for the portrait. And in terms of night mode, there is no night mode for the front cam, so there is only photo and portrait mode. And in the video mode, let me show you at what resolution you can record the videos. So it is a 1080 video sample, friends, with the front cam, sorry, with the back camera. So let me open the front cam, and now the settings. So here you can see you can only record up to 1080p and 30 fps. So this is the setting for the video recording, friends. Let me show you some of the samples which I have taken with the phone. So here is another portrait mode which I have taken. As you can see, in terms of erasing the back background. And one thing which I noticed in the Honor 9X Pro is that the selfie lovers will definitely love this mobile. The reason why I'm saying is that the front camera has got a little bit wide angle, friends. So normally other phones used to take this kind of selfie, but in the Honor 9X Pro I got extra area as well, friends. So that is what I noticed. So if you, I did not even try to stretch my hand long, but still it can capture pretty much everything, friends. So that's a good advantage with the front cam. That is what I noticed here. And having this backstage lighting by default without using any other application is a good thing as well for the front cam lovers. So this is a normal shot which I have taken. So let me open the size, and here you can see the size as well and resolution what it's recorded. 3.3 MB, 3.70 MB, friends, the front camera size. And here is the shot which I taken complete. So you can see how the colors are even in the dark. So the main advantage for the front camera is that your face looks close to natural, friends. So that is what I noticed. All the natural colors, which is not highly saturated or highly contrast colors, so which looks close to natural colors. That is what I noticed, one thing. And second point is that this is the wide angle which I'm talking about for the front cam, this extra part. So normally I used to get this kind of photo only with the other phones, but only with this Honor 9X I got extra area, friends, covered with the front cam. So that's another good advantage with the phone. And there is another video which I recorded using the front cam, friends. So this is a video which I did side by side comparison with the Poco X2 recording at same time. So I'll be doing another video side by side test. So stay tuned for that video, friends. So let me play the video here, so you can hear the audio as well at same time. How is the audio? I'm recording the video at same time in both the phones, friends. So overall you can see exactly how is the colors is going on in both the phones. And overall I like the Honor 9X Pro camera front cam pretty much than the Poco X2. So where you can understand clearly. So let me try to walk into the sun so you can clearly see the difference in terms of the colors, how it looks. The sky looks very good, friends, in terms of blue color. But overall in terms of the front camera, the points goes to the Honor 9X Pro device. In terms of clarity or in terms of sharpness, I like the Honor 9X Pros pretty much, so which I can see the clearly the difference in between both the phones side by side. So this is a video test which I did, and let me show you the properties of the video as well. So as you can see, the resolution 1080 and 115 MB size for the duration of 55 seconds. As you can see, friends, clearly. So this is what I like with the front camera of the Honor 9X Pro device. And having the pop-up camera as a new moving part, if you're using for long term, I think it should not be any problem, because I am using the Realme X for the past close to 1 year, friends, and there's no problem with the front cam till now. So I'm not sure with the long time usage, maybe 2 years or 3 years it might affect, but for the 1 year it did not affect, it did not cause any other problem. I did not face any other problem with the pop-up camera. So while recording the video will be a little bit zoomed in, friends. So that is what I noticed. So if you take a look at here, so right now I'm in the video. So let me switch to the photo mode. So as soon as I switch to the photo mode, you can see extra area covered in the photo mode. So definitely, friends, in terms of the front cam, it has got a little bit of extra wide angle covered with the front cam. So that is another good advantage in the Honor 9X Pro in terms of taking the front camera shots. So follow me in Instagram, friends, for more front camera samples or back camera samples, so which I'll be posting in my Instagram account. All these camera samples I'll be posting there. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, and I'll also follow me in the Telegram group as well, so friends, which will be very interesting in the Telegram group to get to know all this kind of APK files which you can install in your mobile. So as soon as you go to the gallery to open the image, the front camera closes. So that is another good advantage which you can see right now. So as soon as I open any image in the gallery, the front camera will close, friends. So it takes some time, but still it does close. So same thing, let me compare with the Realme X phone. So will the front camera close or not automatically when you open the gallery? So as you can see, friends, when I open the gallery, the front camera stays there continuously. This is not the case with the Honor 9X Pro device, so which is very another good security update and good reason for that. So this is what I want, friends, in the pop-up camera phones. So they need to take care this kind of small things, so which should not impact the pop-up camera durability. So overall, friends, the front camera I'm pretty much happy, and I'll be giving my thoughts about the back camera as well in my next video, which I'll be explaining in detail about the back camera. Similarly like this, I'll be showing you all the images which I have taken, and I'll be showing you even the details as well for each image. But in front camera I'm pretty much happy, friends. So there is no negative points about the front camera. So for 10 out of 10 I can give points for the front cam. So same thing I'll be doing with the back camera as well. So we'll get to know, friends, whether the back camera is doing good or not in the Honor 9X Pro device. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel, friends, SciTech Guru. So that's it for this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.